If you're trying to upgrade to Windows 11 and seeing this message, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to bypass all these hardware restrictions, including TPM 2.0, secure boot, and CPU limitations. First, we'll modify the Windows registry to completely bypass the hardware checks during installation. Press Windows +R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Now, in the registry editor, navigate carefully to this path. If the MoSetup folder doesn't exist, right-click on Setup, choose New, Key, and name it MoSetup. Next, select MoSetup, then on the right side, right-click and choose New, stored, 32-bit value. Name this new entry AllowUpgradesWithUnsupportedTPMOrCPU. Now, double-click on it and set the value data to 1, then click OK. Once done, close the registry editor. This registry tweak tells Windows to ignore TPM and CPU checks during the upgrade. Now simply open your Windows 11 setup file, either from the ISO or from the USB drive, and run setup.exe. Choose Keep Personal Files and Apps, and continue with the installation. Windows 11 will now upgrade directly, even if your PC doesn't meet the official requirements. Like and subscribe.